Yes student, today we're going to learn a trick. And what is this trick? We're going to learn through this trick how to find the values of x and y of a linear equation in two variables. So what is required when we draw the graph? We need the value of x and y to plot it on the graph. So without doing the calculation, within a second, how can we find the value of x and y? That we're going to learn. But the condition is that let us take the linear equation. Let the linear equation be this: 3x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now what you have to do, let us draw the domain. Domain means the box in which we're going to find the value of x and y. Here we're going to write the value of x and y. Make 3 columns. In the middle column, we're going to find one value we have to find using the calculation work, and the other two values we're going to find using the trick. So the condition is that in the middle you have to take the value of one of the variable as 0. So we are starting with the variable x. Let us take the value of x equal to 0. Now if we're going to put the value of x equal to 0 in this equation and find the value, corresponding value of y, will get, this will become 0, this is 0, minus 10 equal to 0, transpose minus 10, 0 will be removed, 2y equal to plus 10, and 2 will move to the division, and this will give 5. So one value you have to find, take one of the variable equal to 0 and find the corresponding value. So one value we have found. Now make a diagonal like this. This is x, over here write y, this is y, below this write x, opposite we have to write x, y, y, x on this diagonal line. Now we have written y, means we have to write the value of y. Which value? The coefficient of y. The coefficient of y over here is plus 2. So you have to write in place of it plus 2. This is it, plus 2. 0 and this 2. On the another side, above this box we have written 2. Above this box we have to write opposite sign taking the same coefficient, minus 2. Here we have taken the main coefficient, and on the another side we have to reverse the sign. The same way below here x. X means coefficient of x we have to write. This is plus 3. So plus 3 will going to take, and on the another side we have to reverse its sign. Now what we have to do? Draw the diagonal like this. Make the arrow. We have to add 0 and minus 2 and write the value over here. When we add 0 and minus 2, it means the same value will become minus 2 and 0 give minus 2. 0 plus 2 will give 2. When we're going to add these two, the same number will come. For the value of y, we have to add these two and these two. 5 plus 3, it will give 8. Both are in positive sign, so both will be added. The sign rule you have to keep in mind. 5 plus minus 3, we have to add both of them. So when we are adding both of them, check their sign. This is in positive sign, this is in negative sign. Both of them are in opposite sign, and we know that opposite sign numbers are subtracted. So we have to subtract 5 and 3. This will give 2, and the greater number is 5, so this will be in positive sign only. So the other values of the linear equation are minus 2 and 8. When we take the value of x equal to minus 2, let us check. If we take value of x equal to minus 2, then what will be the value of y? We are checking. Minus plus minus, 3 to 6 plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. These two numbers can be solved. Both are in same sign. It means they will be added. So they will give minus 16 equal to 0. Transpose minus 16 to the another side. This will move with a positive sign, and y equal to 2 will move to the division. So 2 8 16. So we are getting the correct answer. When we have taken x equal to minus 2, we get the value of y equal to 8. Let us check the third value also. If we take x equal to 2, then the value of y will be what. Is it correct or not? Let us check. 3 into 2 6, both are in positive, so it will be positive, plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Now we can solve these two, both are in opposite signs, so they will be subtracted. So this will give, the bigger number is this, so it will be in minus sign. Minus 4 equal to 0. Transpose minus 4 to the another side, it will move with the positive sign. When 2 will remove to the another side, it will go to the division, so it will give y equal to 2. It means this is also correct. So this is correct. So you can use the trick for finding the value of x and y. The main condition that you have to note is that at the middle you have to assume one of the variable as 0. So better to take x equal to 0 and by calculation find the value of y. Then draw a diagonal. On the diagonal you have to write the coefficient of y and x. Here is x written, so above this box we have to write the coefficient of y. Here is y written, so below it we have to write the coefficient of x. Of opposite variable you have to write, and you have to, if you have taken the value here 2, then reverse, write the same value but change the sign. The value whatever you have written over here, reverse it and take it below the another box and add in cross way like this. Thank you.